I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about our eSpares compatible vacuum bags and filters. These vacuum bags have been specifically designed for eSpares and are compatible with the Miele vacuum cleaners that take the FJM type vacuum bags and filters. If, however, your Miele vacuum takes the GN type bags, then take a look at this video up here. The bags feature a 5-layer filtration system which helps to increase the airflow, making them 50% more efficient than the standard bags. This means that you can clean longer without having to change the bag but still retain as much dust as possible. They have a flexible seal around the entrance to ensure maximum airflow into the bag, and even have a flap to prevent dust escaping when changing. These bags come in a set of 5 and also include a filter set to ensure your machine keeps performing at its very best. Now let's take a look at replacing the bags. It's super easy to do and only takes a second. Here our model takes the GN version of the bag, but the process is still the same, so I'm going to use the GN version instead. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner, then open up the vacuum cleaner cover by pulling on the release latch. Remove the bag by holding onto the bag holder mount with one hand and pulling on the top seal handle with the other. Then put the new bag in by sliding the seal into the bag holder mount, making sure that the arrows are lined up until you hear the click. Then tuck the bag securely into the vacuum and close the cover. We believe that these vacuuming bags offer exceptional performance and great value for money. Now that you've got your vacuum cleaner bag sorted, why not take your vacuuming game to the next level with our eSpares Eucalyptus Vacuum Air Freshener, designed to freshen up your home as you vacuum. And for a video on how these work, take a look down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for plenty more videos on product demonstrations and fixing and maintaining your household appliances. Thanks for watching!